What's up everyone, it's Jaquil, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to change your AirTag battery. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's how to change your AirTag battery. Now keep in mind the AirTag batteries are designed to last about 2 years, and I added Velcro on the back, which is why it looks slightly different. This is the built-in AirTag holder that you get from the Apple store. You want to, assuming you have one, but if you don't, that's fine too. So you want to twist it open. Bang it out. Now this is the hardest part. You want to just twist it and it pops right out. I was kidding about it being hard. It's actually very easy. Then you pop it out. This is the old battery that died. Set it to the side. And this is the new battery. The battery size is CR2032 3-volt lithium battery. You can buy these off Amazon. It could be Amazon brand, Walmart brand, Target brand. It doesn't have to be name brand like Energizer or Duracell. This lid right here, you can see it. It says plus. So the plus side of the battery is going there, which means that the negative side, which is this side here, is going in. Just like that. And now you put it on. You line up the grooves. And then you twist. You heard the beep. It's working again. But it's not going in. They make this really hard. Ah, there we go. So I added this to the back because I originally planned to attach it to my stuff, and then I realized that the holders were better. If you don't have anything on the back to do, it's just pressure, twist out, pressure, twist on. Make sure you subscribe for more Apple tips.